Welcome to EMECS-thon 2016. My name is Angel. I'm the global coordinator of EMECS-thon. We have 6 universities from all around Europe. Welcome to the competition, Norway. Here's Germany. UK, are you there?
Yes, we are here. Participants are ready to rock.
Next stop, Romania. Okay, next stop, Austria.
Yes, we can hear you.
For you, Bosnia. Welcome to EMECS-thon 2015. I feel like at Eurovision. With hello Bosnia, hello everybody.
We have 9 teams here, and we have really interesting projects, I believe, and I think it will be a great competition.
Participants can go to their labs and get ready.
Hi guys, we are the Technical University of Kaiserslautern and I'm Clemens, the local coordinator, and now we're going to show you what our teams did so far. Follow me. Welcome to the presentation of the projects of the EMECS-thon 2015. And our project is virtual mini golf. We wanted to play mini golf on a computer using our smartphone. We wanted to use our smartphone as a puncher. That means you have your smartphone and you have your app and you play mini golf like you play mini golf in the area. Was to build a system that monitors important health data to help people, elderly people, to get support when something is happening. Our idea was to create a remotely controlled robot which you can steer using movement of your hand.
Our project is a load-shifting smart appliance system. The main idea is to maximize the usage of power from a solar panel and minimize the cost of buying electricity from the provider. We have the idea that you set up your appliance, for instance the washing machine, you can just put your clothes in, get everything set up and say start, and then the appliance can communicate with the scheduler and it can figure out when is the best time to run so that I can maximize the power.
We are using this quadcopter and we have mounted a camera here, a small analog type camera that transmits the image in real time, the person tracking.
Home alarming systems, they take lots of powers. We make the front end to detect the intruder by the sensor.
signals and see if it will create interference with the wireless communication.
But originally the idea was to create a multiplayer game using two gecko boards and connecting it with a camera so you can draw the levels of the thing.
University at Southampton. Let's check out what our EMECS guys are doing. 1 minute, guys.
Our project consists basically in a smart wristband, which is used to control different devices or appliances in a house, let's say.
We can detect different gestures like this or this. These are the same.
Moving these 3 fingers control one thing, and moving these 2 other fingers another thing, another device. That was the original idea.
Our project is about doing a game keyless. So first we have a piano, and we have also a hangman game. And in the hangman, this will be the QWERTY keyboard. So here in the piano. So first you put the box somewhere. Let's say here. And then you select the letter. For example, you select the S, and the S is the keyword. You count the mistakes, and if you fail 7 times, you lose.
We would like to present a project which is a solar umbrella. It houses 8 solar panels which are collecting the solar energy, which is used for a number of things.
Our EMECS-thon 2015 project called Open Hand. It's basically an embedded platform, very configurable. It allows you to configure a special glove to basically control anything you want. Any kind of task, from controlling the robot to maybe playing rock, paper, scissors with your friends via Bluetooth. You can control drones. Can also be configured for medicinal problems for people with disabilities if needed.
It is a ecological robot. Its main purpose is to collect garbage. The EcoBot will find the garbage using a video camera, a Pixie camera, open source camera and software. And using the 3D printed robotic arm will pick up the garbage and determine if it's made out of metal or not. My idea for this project was a robot that can make a map of its surroundings. Ultrasonic sensor right here, which can detect an obstacle. With this I can control the robot movements. Okay, and I can also make it build a map. Okay, so I'll put it in front of an obstacle and press this button here, map, and the robot will read the data from the sensor.
we're here at the Technical University in Graz, where the EMECS-thon is held for the first time. Let's see how the participants are doing now.
We created this little guy here called Tony. We integrated 3 sonic sensors to measure the distance, so it can avoid any obstacles in its way. Oh, Tony, go Tony, don't disappoint me.
We're the team once and build a watering system for plants.
Yes.
We can choose between 2 different modes. So one mode is simply time-based, so like it's watering every 2 days. And if we switch to the next menu item, we see the left time for the next watering.
Hi, we're Team Blank, and we built a handheld gas detector, and it's detecting combustible gases, and it's also measuring the temperature. To demonstrate you the module, I can introduce Mr. Felix Klein. And it's 11 o'clock a.m., so perfect time for a vodka, I think. And yeah, we're gonna all keep.
This is Project Sensor. We are trying to make a sensor to become a new sense. So we used 8 little vibrating motors. We sew them together on this belt, and they're vibrating. So we can, over the optical system, we can now measure. We can feel obstacle in the distance from 1 to 4 meters. Any sensor can be applied to the system, and we can make it to a new sense.
Hello, here we are, EMECS-thon 2015 at Bosnia, Igu. Let us see how our EMECS-thon competitors are working.
The hardware part, and we think the code works, but we have to try it all up. Now we're just connecting the wires and everything, and then we will try and maybe cry. Let's hope not.
About smart public transportation system.
How is it going?
Fine. We are drilling the holes.
I'm making some real electronics music here.
Here we are, Bosnia and Herzegovina. It's about 2 o'clock a.m.
Our project was to make a home automation system for lighting inside of the houses and for the lighting outside, traffic lights.
Our project is an emergency light source in case of the power outage.
Our project was building a smart machine or carts that will be used in a public transportation system to make it easier for passengers to buy tickets and select how many stations they will go with some type of
transportation, and to make it easier for a company to check passengers' tickets and whether they have it or not.
The project name is B-Box, pin of the threads that you touch.
The idea of my team was to make oscilloscope using the mobile phone. And why we wanted to do that? Because this device here is very expensive and it's heavy and it's hard to transfer from one place to another. A good oscilloscope can reach up to thousands of marks, and when our implementation is very cheap.
Using the giant gecko and some LEDs to present you the time in form of digital numbers, which seemingly float in the air. Also, this project is not only capable of showing you the time, it is capable to show you anything which you can come up with. We have made some additional picture images to show you that as well, not just the clock.
One of the partners, one of the sponsors for this competition.
By color will show the temperature of the room that we are in, or in another mode will show the weather outside. In the room it is cold, it will be blue. If it is like mild, it will be green, and if it is like really hot in the room, it will be red.
We planned on using 8 floppy disk drives to produce music. As you already know, because when you put in and when you give, it gives you back the floppy disk. So we'll play it.
So, next bit, Kaiserslautern. How did you feel about participating to EMECS-thon 2015?
Well, in the beginning, since for me this is the first time I'm participating.
It's the same for me.
Yeah, cool. It's that we were curious about how it's going to go, and we had this nice idea, but we were very afraid that things may happen in the beginning, and thankfully things went right till the end almost. But it was very hard with the slipping part, because on one side we wanted to go on and on the other we wanted to sleep. So, but we made it. We didn't sleep. So.
Congrats.
Thank you.
You won. You won both the best commercial implementation in Kaiserslautern and the EMECS-thon Guru 2015. How do you feel about that?
I'm feeling really fine, because the nice part is, in the beginning we had an idea about another project, but at the end we choose this one. So I don't know if we had the same chances with the other project, but it's nice that we choose the right one. So.
What about you?
Well, the same. It's like when we were nominated, we were very surprised because we were not expecting it. And of course, when the prize came, it's like, well, this is double the time. It's not expected.
The idea is not sleep, work hard. You get frustrated in the middle part, but at the end everything works.
Yeah. And if you get good food and 3 Red Bulls, you can make it.
Cool. Thank you and congrats.
Thank you.
Thanks.
It's a very good experience, and you can measure your knowledge, and you can demonstrate that you can do something that works in a very few times.
I honestly have to say, it was unexpected how much work it really was in the end. I didn't thought it would be that much, but I think the result was definitely worth it. And
participating and
jury, it's very difficult because you always have a team that you think that's a cool project, I like that, and you don't want to be subjective. You have to treat everyone the same way.